Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me. We have another set of card candy today. This one is from Amy Marr. She's part of Team Crew. And Amy made this cute little set of card candy using the Ice Cream Swirl bundle. It's got dies that goes with this. This is in the new catalog. And it's just super sweet. So we're going to actually make two cards. She's got two sentiments here. So we're going to make two cards with it. Okay, we're going to start and use some Petal Pink, not Petal Pink. We're using Bubble Bath. Bubble Bath, I'll get my colors straight. We've only had this for a year, you know. So we're going to do Bubble Bath, and I'm using some of this bright and beautiful designer paper. This is actually carried over from the previous catalog, and we're going to cut this at 4 by 5 1/4. Okay, we normally never have any designer paper carried over, and we do this time. But then I thought we're carrying over, you know what? I like that side too. Hold on, let's see which one's better. I really thought the fishing paper was carried over for some reason. I am not sure why. All right, I think I'm gonna just go with the subtle. Yeah, I thought the fishing paper was carried over too. Maybe I thought I saw it in the new catalog. Maybe I was mistaken. I don't know. I was a little disappointed because I really like that. Okay, let's see. Amy's got it in 2 pieces, which is great because this is a tall image. So this way I can put that at the bottom, and then I can lower this. If you put it right at the top, that's going to go past the top of the card. So this is great that she's put this in 2 separate pieces so we can fit it to our card, which is wonderful. Look at that. I am like almost done. I'm going to do Make a Wish right here. Okay. Oh, that one, got to peel that one off. Okay. And then I think I'll do, this almost looks like it's a little, you know, a little, one of those, oh, what's it called? A Purell, I don't know. I'm going to kind of stick it behind there like it's sticking back in the ice cream. And then I'm going to leave the cherry and the strawberry, and we're going to put that on the other card. But Amy has so graciously included some glossy dots that I'm going to add on this big card. Cute. I'm done. I mean, that literally took maybe 90 seconds to make that card. That was awesome. Okay, now we have Hope Your Day is Sweet. Now this could be sent anytime, anywhere to anyone. So I'm going to use one of our little note cards and envelopes. These already come pre-cut, pre-scored. And they're nice and small, which I like. And what I'm going to do, I just want a little focal point right in the middle. I'm wondering, I think I want to put a little bit of I don't know if I even need Petal Pink. I'm going to do Petal Pink though. Let's see. We're going to just cut this down. Let's see what we have. Let's grab our, this is my stack of all my pieces. I'm going to do this one. It's kind of got a wash. I already got a scrap. And I'm going to put this just across the middle. So I'm going to cut off this piece, this end over here. It says it's 5 inches wide. Just cut that off to 5 inches. And I could even do, I'm going to add just a little more interest. We're going to do a piece of black that's 5 inches. 5 inches by, how wide is this? I think that was 2. Let's look and see. Oh, that's actually, let's make this 2 1/4. We'll say it's 2 1/4. It's close enough. So we'll make this 5 by 2 1/2. And that will give us just a little bit of border on either side. Let's see how that looks. Because the sentiment is pretty big compared to our fruit. Having a little more color and contrast will really add to our card. So let's go that route. And try to get that even on both sides. Just like this. Amy's already got dimensionals on here. Peel those off. I'm gonna do Hope Your Day. I think I'm gonna put that right in the middle. And then let's take these cute little fruits and put maybe one right here, overlapping, and we'll put the little cherry up in the other side, overlapping. Oh my gosh, so cute. All right, let's grab our glossy dots and grab some pink ones. Oh my, look at this mess. I'm telling you, I'm trying to use up everything that's loose before I get to anything that, you know, it's just random. Because a lot of times I'll just use one color in class. All right, I'm gonna set that aside. That aside. I'm going to put all my random things in one bag so I can use that. Okay, let's just grab these little mango, I'm going to say they're mango, not mango, melon mambo. My goodness, I'm going back a ways. Melon mambo dots. These are hard to get up. And we're going to just put these right here. Put that one right here. I don't know. It wants to go right there. Isn't that cute? 2 sweet cards today. Made in just a couple minutes. I love it. Okay. I will post a host code below. If you place an order of $50 or more, I'll send you a little goodie in the mail. And I hope you enjoyed today's cards. From Amy's Card Elements using the ice cream swirl. I will also post a link on my blog with the supplies. So thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.